I'm Gina. This is Unboxing Discovery by G. I have a Bath Bevy Tubless box. This box is usually pretty good. If you don't have a bathtub or you just don't like taking baths, in my case, the bathtub is just too small for me. So I get the Tubless box. It's a little more expensive, but I think it is worth it. Let's go inside and see what it says. Snowed in. Okay, here in North Mississippi, we don't get much snow. We might get a little sleet, some ice. We did get a few flurries, but we are far, far, far from snowed in. Okay, this card, it tells everything on the back, everything you got. Can't see that I'm doing this right, but just so you can see what's on there. Pretty little Bath Bevy sticker, nice little paper. Oh, it's the I don't know if you can see, the paper does have a little snowflake detail. I almost missed that. Very cute. I love the presentation of the box. It just adds a little more happy. Like if you get a present for Christmas, you go to unwrap it. If it is beautifully wrapped with this big, beautiful bow, it's more exciting, it's more tempting than just something, you know, maybe it's in a bag. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe I'm weird. They always have lots of this squiggly paper, which I try not to let my cats get into because boy, would they have fun with that. Now you can just smell all the, oh, it's wonderful. Cute little snowed in matches. Little matchbox. It always sits right on top of the candle. Let me put this back so you can see. Oh, the goodness in there. Can't wait until we get snow vision where you can smell what I'm smelling. You could definitely enjoy the fragrance, I'm sure. Snowflake. Fragrance description. These crisp, cool freshness of winter. Airy oozing with woody oak moss with a base of aquatic notes. Okay, that was a mouthful. Little tin turns. Does have that clean smell to it. This is my kind of candle. This is what I like in my house. This is so nice. If you can see it, it's kind of dark and on that one side. Okay. Snowflake Twist Tin Candle by Valley Candles, handcrafted in a small batch with 100% American-made soy wax, essential oils, fragrance oils with no harmful chemicals, and cotton wicks. That's good. When you have animals, you have to pay attention to what you burn because, you know, cats, dogs, kids even. The oils, you have to watch out. Some of them are not good for them, so you really don't need to be putting them in the air. Okay. Made with the twist tin just for Bath Bevy. The snowflake scent combined with a crisp, cool freshness of winter with airy, oozy, and woody oak moss on a base of aquatic notes. Burn time of 10+ hours. Very nice. Okay, these are good. These shower steamers. This one is a calming lavender. I do love lavender. I have anxiety issues, so I have lavender all over my house. Sleep with lavender, lavender lotions, anything I can get a hold of lavender to try to calm me down. I did actually order some of these from Bath Bevy, so this is just gonna go with my collection. They're so neat. I like to set them up, not where they're sitting in the water, because you know they will go faster. If you have like a little shelf or something, put it on the shelf, just splash a little water here and there. It lets the scent fill up in the bathroom. So cozy, so relaxing, just neat. I don't know. I like them. I definitely think they're worth their price. And then every once in a while they will do like a buy one get one half off. I try to do them, you know, get them then so I can save just a little bit of money. Let's see. Shower steamers is a great way to transform your shower into a soothing and therapeutic treatment. They're activated by the steam and water droplets in your shower to create calming clouds of essential oil scented steam. Just place your steamer on the shower floor, but not directly under the shower stream, and enjoy. Okay, I could have gotten the candy cane or the calming lavender in this month's box, which I think I have the candy cane as well. I think I got that in my last box. And it gives me a code for 15% off of my Bath Bevy. That's Snow if anybody wants. Okay. Frosted pine cone, crisp apple, cedar wood, frost pine cones, whipped soap scrub. Oh, I love a good soap scrub. Oh, that's nice. It is definitely that cedar wood. You can smell it. I love cedar wood. My dad built an entire upstairs floor out of cedar for my son. Made it his man cave. It always smells so good when you go up there, and it is beautiful. I mean, head to toe cedar. So gorgeous. Okay, sorry I got off the topic a little bit there. I tend to ramble. Whipped sugar scrub. This light and fluffy whipped soap scrub is a luxurious exfoliating cleanser that will leave your skin feeling clean, soft, and moisturized without any greasy or sticky feel. Okay, you could have either got the frosted pine cone or pink evergreen. Oh, let's see what this is. Glacier handmade soap. Really want to start making my own handmade soap. I think that would be so neat. Okay. Two Wild Hairs. Oh, neat. That's the name of it, is Two Wild Hairs. Did I show you this one? I don't remember if I showed you that up front. Sorry. My brain be cray-cray sometimes. Says a frosty blend of mint with a hint of eucalyptus. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Oh, we gotta open this up and look at it because they make these soaps so beautiful. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? It does remind you of a glacier. So neat. Oh, I love that. Okay. The Glacier Mint and Eucalyptus Soap by Two Wild Hairs. A refreshing, frosty blend of mint with a hint of eucalyptus. It's the perfect eye-opening morning soap. Wet your soap, use directly on your skin, or wipe on a washcloth, sponge or poof, and suds it up to extend the life of your soap. Allow soap to air dry in between uses. A properly cared for bar lasts a long time. Okay. Mint Cocoa Body Butter. Oh, love body butter. Yep, mint cocoa. Look at that. It looks like whipped cream. That's so nice. So nice. I love product you just can't wait to try. That's good. I'm not sure that I care for the cocoa in it. It's a little strong, but it does remind me of those Girl Scout cookies. You know, you can smell the chocolate and the mint. Thin mints. That's what they are. Anyway, so this is a rich and thick hydrating cream formulated with aromatic natural cocoa butter, rejuvenating organic artisan extract. No, that's not what that says. Organic Arnica, A-R-N-I-C-A extract. Okay, I don't know what that is, but I'll have to look it up. And soothing menthol crystals. Apply as needed to hands and massage into back, arms, legs, hips, and neck. Avoid the face and eye area. Yeah, I imagine that menthol would not be good. Maybe that's what I'm catching is the menthol. I don't know. I'm not sure I would buy this scent for myself, y'all. Just be honest. But it'll get used. I'll definitely use it anyway. Okay. That is everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. I definitely recommend giving Bath Bevy a try because, I mean, they have nice products, nice quality products. So, I will see y'all next time, and y'all have a blessed day.